Problem 2, using an equation with variables on both sides. Graphic design. It takes a graphic designer 1.5 hours to make one page of a website. Using new software, the designer could complete each page in 1.25 or 1.25 hours, but it takes 8 hours to learn the software. How many web pages would the designer have to make in order to save time using the new software? First, consider what you know. You know the current design time, that's 1.5 hours per page. You know the time with the new software, that's 1.25 hours per page. And you know the time to learn the new software, that's 8 hours. Next, consider what you need. You need the number of pages the designer needs to make for the new software to save time. And so your plan, write and solve an equation that models the situation. First, we can relate the variables. Current design time equals design time with new software plus the time to learn the new software. That's what we're interested in. We're interested in the amount of pages it takes to make these two things equal. Then we'll define a variable. We'll let p equal the number of pages the designer needs to make and write the equation. 1.5p equals 1.25p plus 8. Moving on, we'll simplify the equation. 1.5p equals 1.25p plus 8, and work to isolate the variable p. First, subtract 1.25p from each side. Simplify. Now we have 0.25p equals 8. Then divide each side by 0.25, the current coefficient of p on the left-hand side. Simplifying that, p equals 32. So we can now respond. It will take the designer the same amount of time to make 32 web pages using either software. The designer must make 33 pages or more in order to save time using the new software. Your turn. An office manager spent $650 on a new energy-saving copier. That will reduce the monthly electric bill for the office from $112 to $88. In how many months will the copier pay for itself?